Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cast the screen of your Android device to your JVC Smart TV. First of all, we're going to have to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, open Settings and go to Network and check which network your TV is connected to. Then on your Android smartphone, swipe down the quick settings or the control panel and make sure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And after that, we're gonna have to enable the screen mirroring feature for Android smartphones on our TV by going to settings once again, selecting display and audio, and going to enable display mirroring. Click yes. And right now on our smartphone, we're gonna have to find the display mirror, the casting feature or the display mirroring feature. It's also located in the quick settings. So check your dials here and find the cast option on the list. If you cannot find it on this list, and by the way, it may also be called Smart Share or Share Smart View on Samsung, or also Samsung DeX on some Samsung devices. Generally, Samsung has a way with naming stuff, but yeah, it's basically all the same feature that uses the same technology but with different names. So just search for an icon that looks like this, and then if you cannot find it here, tap the pencil icon to edit your shortcut menu, and then tap the plus icon to add a new tile. Find the cast tile in here and tap on it. And then it will be added to your tiles list. Now tap on it and then give it all the permissions that it requires, and find your TV on the list. Then select it and choose which screen you want to cast, whether it's an entire screen or a single app, which is not supported in my case for some reason, but we can still cast an entire screen. Then tap cast, then wait until your devices are connected to each other. Okay, and the screen mirroring has started. Now we can open different applications on our smartphone. We can play videos, we can view photos. If we play videos from YouTube, they will be played in full screen resolution, so they will not be just they will not be played vertically. So let's try to open the video. Let's quickly skip to that. Okay, and if we put the video on a full screen on our smartphone, it will be also played in full screen mode on the TV. Besides in YouTube, we can also tap this icon in the top right corner, right here, and here we're gonna have to link the. Okay, so we have to do it separately. In this case, so I'm gonna have to stop my TV casting first. To do so, we're gonna have to swipe down the control center once again, find the cast tile, tap on it, and the screencast will stop. Now, if we tap on this icon in YouTube, we'll be able to link our TV. But to do so, we're gonna have to open the YouTube app on our TV device, then go to settings, and basically follow the instructions that we see right here. Or we can wait until we see the TV on the list. But to do so, we're gonna have to enable screen mirroring once again on our TV. Now let's wait. I'm pretty sure it should pop up on the list. But if it doesn't, we can still link it using the TV code. Okay, well, so that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.
you.